Welcome to our channel. Netgear Nighthawk AC1900 Smart Wi-Fi Router Setup. Step 1. Unbox and power up. Take the router out, plug in the power adapter, and switch it on. Step 2. Connect the modem. Use the Ethernet cable to link your modem to the yellow internet port on the router. Step 3. Wait for lights. Give it a minute until the power and internet LEDs turn solid. Step 4. Grab your phone or laptop. Go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the default Nighthawk network name on the label. Step 5. Open a browser. Type routerlogin.net in the address bar and hit enter. Step 6. Create admin login. Set up a username and password for managing your router. Step 7. Choose Wi-Fi name. Pick a network name that's easy to spot. Step 8. Add Wi-Fi password. Create a strong password for your Wi-Fi so it's secure. Step 9. Apply changes. Click Next and wait while the router saves and reboots. Step 10. Reconnect devices. Go back to your phone or laptop and connect to the new Wi-Fi name with the password you just made. Step 11. Check internet connection. Open a web page or run a quick speed test to confirm everything's working. Step 12. Place the router. Move the router to a central spot in your home for the best coverage. And that's it, you've set up your Netgear Nighthawk AC1900 Smart Wi-Fi router and you're ready to enjoy faster, stronger internet. Thank you for watching.